Hello, welcome to Room 11's Assembly.
So today we'd like to give you a general reminder about, or even an introduction to, being in a rights respecting school. UNICEF is the world's leading organisation for children and their rights. Our school's curriculum and ethos is based on the United Nations Convention on the Rights for the Child.
So what is it, Louise?
Well, it's human rights, especially for children. So, there are 54 articles, but guess what? We've only got to learn about 42.
Wow, that's a lot, Louise.
Yes, but let's remember the 4 general principles. Okay, the first general principle is non-discrimination. And that is found in Article 2. These rights are for everyone. And the next one is the best interests of the child. Which article is that one in, Vicky? Oh, it's Article
3, sorry.
Adults must do what's best for me. The next one is all about life, survival and development. Children should be supported to live, to grow and to develop to their full potential. And the last one is Article 12, isn't it, Vicky?
It is, Louise. It's the voice of the child.
So, everything you say, your opinions are very important. And us adults, as duty bearers, we have to listen to you.
So who are you, Louise?
I am a duty bearer. Everyone over the age of 18 in Oscott Manor is a duty bearer. We have pupil duty bearers and we also have staff duty bearers, just like it says on our brand new high-vis vests.
And the children are?
Rights holders. So for you, as a child under 18, you are a rights holder.
So the convention is just the kit for the Key Stage 3 then?
Nope.
Key Stage 4?
No.
Key Stage 5?
No. It's for everyone. It's for every child under 18.
So Louise, how do we see the rights around the school?
Well, we learn about them and we use them in our lessons. For example, we know that Article 12 tells us that we are entitled to a voice. So it's great to express our opinions. Also, everybody loves Article 31, the right to relax and play. So we see that at break time and lunch time and also when we need learning breaks. We see them in use sometimes when things don't go quite right and we talk through our problems with our friends and our adults who help us. Our opinions are respected and we are listened to and we are kept safe. We see them in things like the Outright campaign when we're upholding rights for other children both locally, nationally and internationally. So, Oscott Manor, we are really learning how to be global citizens. And we're also learning how to be a school of sanctuary, which means we'll be welcoming to people who seek sanctuary, such as refugees and asylum seekers. Did you know, Vicky, we got the Silver Award in January 2020?
No, I didn't. So is it called next, Louise?
Yes. So who would like to get on board? We are looking for a rights respecting school steering group rep from each class. If you are interested in helping Oscott Manor in its journey to gold, let your teacher know and maybe jot down a few ideas as to why you think you would be a great candidate. Your teacher has got a job description for you to have a look at. So then you can all tell your class why you would be the best person to represent your room and there will be a democratic vote. This year is really exciting because we're involved in a project called Commonwealth Connections, all about the Commonwealth Games that are going to be in Birmingham, and we are going to be working with schools in Kenya. Now there is space for 10 pupils on that project, and those pupils will be the ones from the steering group. As a steering group rep, it's your job to attend meetings and tell your friends back in class what we've been working on. If you've got any questions about rights, you can ask any of the adults in your class or message Louise or Emma on Dojo. This year, we'll once again be participating in the Outright campaign, so I will let Kel Spellman introduce it as normal. So, watch this space for more information on the Outright campaign.
Have fun learning about the rights.
Thank
you
you
for
for
listening.
listening.